Hey guys, this is 12 o'clock, so half of the day finished, and I want to give you a very short overview what I have done already. At least it's not a long working day, it's Saturday, but something happened, so I want to share with you. First thing, I was selling we call it Island Consultation. If somebody is unsure about their holidays, they book a consultation with us. And I was just questioning the girl who was purchasing this, and we just figured out the problems. We want to talk tomorrow, and we scheduled an appointment for tomorrow. And tomorrow we will talk about mantas, whale sharks in Bartol, the time period when it's perfect for travel. So that's what she's demanding in that consultation. Second thing is I'm in contact with a person who's interested. He's a Maldivian actually. He's from one of our most favorite local islands, and he's interested to set up a guest house. He got a land plot, so he's interested to build a guest house there, but he has no idea. As I know, he's a school teacher, so he's searching for investors. And so I told him he needs to have a business plan, some proposal, what I can show to people they might be interested. So I was working on a questionnaire for him just to keep his mind busy with some ideas. And now I'm preparing this questionnaire for him and sending this to that guy. So very interesting day so far. I will update you a few hours later. Day is over. I was busy with writing a couple of emails to clients. They wanted to have explained something about our safaris, and I was creator today for our German channel, and I did some work for Instagram and for Facebook and for TikTok and for our YouTube channel there as well. And I just want to share my screen so you can see. Now we are going to close the day. Tomorrow will be Sunday, sorry. And so let's see if I'm doing a lot of stuff. But usually it's very interesting. The Saturdays, people are getting ready to start researching, and Sunday and Monday are our busiest day. We're getting a lot of requests, so get ready maybe for tomorrow. And I wish you a nice evening, wish you a nice day whenever you see that movie. Give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and nice to have you with me. My Instagram profile here, and there, this is the newspaper design I did today, and behind that there's a movie from Yummy and I. We recorded in Maldives. We are explaining why we are doing snorkeling safaris in Maldives, and we explained about our experience. 30 years, yesterday I told you 30 years I'm traveling. Yummy, 20 years. We have seen more than 100 islands. So we're giving an overview, and we say, yes, it's very important because we have a safari scheduled in January 25th. And so I did also some story stuff. You can see it here. This is a snorkel point from our last safari, one of the most beautiful places in Maldives. And and there we had very nice swim in the lagoon. And this is an advertisement I did just to explain, are you interested to come to Maldives from 25th to 1st of February? And nice to get people attracted with those kind of adverts. And there's the itinerary. We're explaining how much it costs, €2,600 per person, and in double cabin, and all the stuff. And we, of course, we're showing the safari, the vessel we are traveling with. Very nice, small and private and comfortable safari vessel. There are some pictures from inside, from the sun deck and from the kitchen. It's a very cozy boat. We love to travel with that. The name is Hyra, and here this is the one, and it's an artificial ad, and not artificial. It's an AI created picture, and where there we are pointing people to our website. It will be available in English also. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. That's all for today. Give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. I'm Toddy.